Hello everyone, 大家好. My name is Luca and welcome to Uoolu class. I'm here today to answer a few questions concerning the investment in Greece. Applying for a Greece investment program is really easy. First of all, you will have to decide the property or properties you want to invest in. You can either do that by visiting Greece yourself or by staying here in China and having video inspections. Later, you will sign all the relevant agreements with the local law firm and the local developer. You will have to visit Greece once again with all your dependents to deliver biometric data, and on that day, you will receive a blue paper that will allow you to travel to Greece without any need for visa. And within a few months from that day, you will receive the residence permit. The main fees concerning purchasing properties in Greece are mainly three. First of all, you have to consider when your building has obtained the building permit. If it was obtained before 2006, you will only have to pay a 3% tax on the property price. If the building permit was obtained after 2006, you will have to pay a VAT of 24%. You will then have to add a lawyer fee of around 1.24%. and a notarization fee that usually is between 1% to 1.5%. There are three main expenses you have to consider for your property each year. First of all, there's the municipal tax, which is going to vary between 300 and 800 euros per year. Then there is the management fee for the building, which depends on the building that you have purchased. Usually it's between 20 euros to 100 euros per month. And last, you will have to pay income tax in case you're renting out your property. The income tax varies according to the amount of your income, but usually is between 15% to 35%. First of all, you will have to visit the property or properties you want to invest in. Once you have decided, you will bargain with the local developer to decide all the relevant conditions for your purchase. Once everything is settled, you will sign a POA with the local law firm for them to be able to assist you throughout the rest of the procedure. You will then sign the reservation agreement with the developer, and you will go to open a bank account in Greece. Later, you will go back to China and finalize your purchase. At that moment, the law firm is going to go to the developer office and sign the purchase agreement on your behalf. It's then going to be the law firm that is going to go to the land registry and register the contract, and that will be the final step. Depending on their needs, our investors choose different areas in Athens. For example, the investors that are more interested in having small apartments easier to rent usually prefer the city center of Athens, or also the Piraeus port, which is now fastly developing thanks to the One Belt One Road initiative and a lot of investments that are coming from China. Other investors that maybe want bigger properties in a more relaxed area choose the south part of Athens, that is the new rich area of the city, but also consider the north part of the city, which is the traditional rich area of the city. Here you can find MES international schools in Athens, and it's also the embassy area of the city. So no matter which kind of property you're looking for, we can provide a satisfying property to satisfy your needs. The annual appreciation is between 5% to 10%. Whereas annual returns are estimated between 3% and 5%. In case you have any questions concerning Greece's immigration program, do not hesitate to call this number. Uoolu operators are waiting for your call.